Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we have something really special to celebrate. iTop Screen Recorder Pro is celebrating its 1 million successful activation by giving away 6 licenses of iTop Screen Recorder Pro for a full year in 2026. Yes, you heard that right. A full year of iTop Screen Recorder Pro for free. All you need to do is watch this video till the end and complete a simple Google form. And you might be one of the lucky winners. Let's get started. Okay guys, so how are we going to pick the winners? Now all you need to do is go to our website and click on the link given below. Once you click on the link, it will take you to this page where you have to enter some basic information, like your name, email address, and then choose a username and password. Once you've entered all the details, click on the register button and complete the Google form. That's it. You have successfully registered. Now we will select 6 lucky winners at random from all the entries. And those winners will get a iTop Screen Recorder Pro license key for a full year. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and register now. The sooner you register, the better your chances are of winning. Also, if you are not one of the lucky 6, don't worry, because iTop Screen Recorder Pro is available at a huge discount just for our viewers. So even if you don't win, you can still get iTop Screen Recorder Pro at a very affordable price. And guys, this offer is only valid for 24 hours, so make sure you register before time runs out. And yes, only 6 lucky people will get a full version license for a full year. But hey, there's no harm in trying, right? So go ahead and register now. Who knows? You might be the next winner. Okay guys, so here's a quick look at iTop Screen Recorder Pro. With iTop Screen Recorder Pro, you can record any part of your screen in full resolution without watermark. It has a built-in editor which allows you to edit your recorded clips directly within the software. You can add multiple audio tracks, adjust the volume of each track individually, and even record your microphone and webcam. The software also allows you to capture images, as well as record videos with system sound, microphone sound, and webcam sound. And the best part about iTop Screen Recorder Pro is that it is compatible with all Windows versions and does not require any additional codecs. So guys, this was about iTop Screen Recorder Pro. Now, let's move on to the giveaway details. The winners will be announced in this video after the giveaway ends. And once you win, you will receive an email from us with your license key. You will also find a separate video link in the description box below this video. In that video, we have explained how to activate iTop Screen Recorder Pro using the license key. Make sure you check it out. And guys, this offer is only valid for 24 hours, so make sure you register before time runs out. Also, if you are not one of the lucky 6, don't worry, because iTop Screen Recorder Pro is available at a huge discount just for our viewers. So even if you don't win, you can still get iTop Screen Recorder Pro at a very affordable price. Now let's quickly look at the giveaway details. So we are giving away 6 licenses of iTop Screen Recorder Pro for a full year, and all you need to do is go to our website and click on the link given below to register. Only 6 lucky winners will be selected, and you can only register once. The giveaway starts from today, which is the 19th of September 2023, and will end tomorrow. That is the 20th of September 2023 at 23:59 UTC. The winners will be announced in a separate video, and you will also receive an email from us with your license key. Alright guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for more giveaways like this. And if you are a tech enthusiast, subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.